Ciao a tutti e bentornati in un nuovo video. Welcome back to this new video. On today's grammar lesson we're going to be learning about the use of c'è and ci sono. C'è and ci sono in Italian are essential. They will help you so much in articulating sentences. They will help you to describe a picture, to describe a place. They can be used in a great way in order to avoid more complex structures. But let's now learn what they are and how do we use them.
C'è is our translation of there is. On the other hand, if we say ci sono, of course, this is the translation of there are. But let's learn how to use them properly.
Seems easy, right? They actually are pretty easy and they really behave the same way they behave in English. Therefore, we would use c'è when the subject of our sentence is singular. For example, in this sentence, there is water in the fridge. Water is the subject of our sentence and it is singular, it is an uncountable noun. Therefore, in this case, we would need to use c'è. C'è acqua nel frigorifero. In this sentence, there isn't your book on the desk. The subject of our sentence here is the book, il libro. Libro è singolare, quindi anche in questo caso usiamo c'è. Therefore, also in this case, we would use c'è. In this case, the sentence is negative, but nothing changes. All we have to do is adding non before c'è. Therefore, the sentence becomes non c'è il tuo libro sulla scrivania. Let's now move on to ci sono. Ci sono is used when the subject is plural. Just like in English, you would use there are. Let's have a look at the first sentence. There are many pages in this book. The subject in this case is pages. Le pagine. Pagine is plural. In this case, we would use ci sono. Ci sono molte pagine in questo libro. Let's now have a look at the second and negative example. There aren't students in the classroom. The subject here is students, studenti, which is plural. Therefore, we use ci sono, and since the sentence is negative, we add non before ci sono. Our sentence becomes non ci sono studenti nella classe.
Let's now look at some pictures and say what we see using c'è and ci sono. Here there is a man, so we say c'è un signore. Let's look over here. Here we have two children, so we can say ci sono due bambini. Let's look over here. We have 4 notebooks, therefore we can say ci sono 4 quaderni. Here we have 3 trees. We can say ci sono 3 alberi. Let's look over here. There is a cake and there are 5 candles. C'è una torta e ci sono 5 candeline. Final picture. Here there is a mocha. Mocha is a singular. Therefore, c'è una mocha.
That is it for today's video. Hope that was helpful. Hope you learned something new today. And I hope especially that you will start using c'è and ci sono a lot more now. They will help you so much, as I said, in formulating sentences. If you enjoyed watching this video or if you learned something new, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next week with a new video. A presto!